Good Wednesday evening, everybody. Here we are at 256 Garage. We're going to start over here in the paint side. Walk into the booth right quick. Got some tailgate pieces for the old F100. Getting a little silver paint on them so they'll look good on that new paint. Right there, got the latches, got the arms, all that. Got them painted. Walk over in here. And I think Alan's got everything fine-tuned. He wants to fine-tune on the Coca-Cola. We got these, check out these bottle cap bumper covers, bumper bolt covers. Got the Coca-Cola bottle hood ornament. Got the Coca-Cola decals on the door. Got the Coca-Cola rack, the bottle holders. Got the Coca-Cola on the shifter. Got the bottle caps on all the knobs for the radio and the controls. Got the spare tire cover on it. It's all Coca-Cola'd out. But anyway, then we got Alan over here working on this Maxima from Copart. He's getting the front bumper built, getting it ready to go on. He's on the phone there, so we won't bother him too bad. But he's about got it ready to put back together. We're gonna send the paperwork off on it next week and get it inspected. Or no, we're gonna send it off tomorrow. We got the Buick. That's the Buick we put the two doors on, fix the posts. Got it put together, ready, done. We're sending the paperwork off on it tomorrow. The white Toyota sitting over on the other side of the F-250, we actually sent the paperwork off on it today. So hopefully by next week, we'll have 3 inspected. Hard to say for sure. Buick's ready to go. It's a customer's, but we actually got to send paperwork off on it to have it inspected. It's ready. Not sure about this here just showed up, but check out that little nugget. Check out them 20s. Okay, they 15s, but they dirty. Nah, not a bad looking little car. But let's walk in the shop here, see what's going on. Junior working on this 3500 Denali HD. I think working on tailgate and the bedside. Tailgate and the bedside. About got the bedside worked here, looks like. That's final wipe, ain't it? Because he says it's going to be perfect this time, right? Yep. And right over here, Drake's still a buffing away, one of his favorite things to do. I think that's why he won't get done, because he just likes doing it so much. But look at here. Got the bed on it. Got the front end on it.
Almost looks like it did when it comes in.
Almost. We got to put the grill in it, hood on it, tailgate on it, finish buffing on it. Look at that paint. She is a beauty. She is a beauty. Turned out good anyway. Got the little Honda on the frame machine, getting it pulled. What else we got? That's about it, ain't it?
So I don't know what you told.
I missed the CRV over there in the corner. Got the front end, got it stripped down. Mainly pretty much everything out there is worked on. Maxima, the Buick's ready to inspect. Maxima's about to be ready to inspect. Paperwork on Toyota sent off to be inspected. Buick Maxima will be sent off tomorrow. The tailgate pieces painted for that. All the little Coca-Cola stuff on the Coca-Cola car.
I think the Coca-Cola car's ready.
Yeah, it's ready to be picked up and delivered, ain't it?
I think so. I had to measure it, see if he has a spot to put it somewhere.
Oh, gonna pack it in, huh? Done a little welding on the Torino here.
I'm not here one day.
Yeah, and they done tore the welder up, didn't they?
Tore a welder.
I just don't even want to talk about it. Don't even want to talk about it.
You know, he said. They tell you about what happened to the welder yesterday?
Oh, just thought it was all funny, huh? Skin his noggin. Can't leave him alone one day. Come on, one day, Junior. I don't want to hear. You didn't stop them from doing it.
That's what their favorite thing was.
Yeah.
I didn't do it.
You can tell. I know where he works.
I didn't put this rag on the front of that truck. I didn't do it.
I know where he works at on the weekends. That's their favorite saying at them places is I didn't do it. Run into something. I didn't do it. You're still holding on to the steering wheel.
No, I just seen it. Like I didn't hear it was gonna move it.
Yeah, exactly. But anyway, that's what we got going on here at the 256 Garage. Appreciate everybody tuning in.